Hi, welcome back. I wasn't planning on making a video today. I was about to start making a skirt and I thought I should share this. A couple weeks ago, I bought a dress at the Goodwill. I loved the fabric and I liked the print, but the top I didn't like. It didn't suit me. So I thought I'd change it into a skirt. That's the whole reason why I bought it, to turn it into a skirt. And I thought that if I share this video, it might inspire you, if you don't already do this, to start looking at things differently when you're out there shopping. So I hope you enjoy this video. And let me know in the comments below what you have done in the past, if you've bought things secondhand or even brand new and altered them to be the way you like them to be. And also let me know in the comments what you would have done differently turning this into a skirt. So let's get started. This is the dress. And I love the fabric and it feels so nice, and it even has pockets. So I wanted to turn the bottom into a skirt, and the skirt I want to make has a waistband and a zipper. And there's no extra fabric at the bottom to use for a waistband. So I'm hoping that my idea will work. I'm going to take apart the top and unstitch the elastic and see what the fabric looks like after I've done that. I finished pulling out all of the stitches. I didn't film it. It took quite a while to do. So this is what the bottom looks like now. And the top was what took so much time. I had never undone that much elastic. And I was looking at it, the fabric here. I'm going to press it as flat as I can. But I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There's a lot of holes in the fabric from the elastic. So I think I might end up just doing an elastic waist for this skirt, because I don't think that fabric will look as good with a waistband and a zipper. So I might have to do that style for another skirt. I'm just taking the band and sewing the seam together. And I'm going to take my elastic and sew the piece together like this. I'm going to take the elastic fold this in half. I'm just sewing along the edge of the elastic. careful not to have your elastic twisted. So I'm going to pin the elastic waistband onto the bottom here. And what I did was put the skirt with the side seams together. And I just want to mark the middle in the back and the middle in the front. And pin that on like that, so it's even elastic all the way around. So after you're done sewing that on, you can go over clean up the edge with a serger, which I'm going to do. If you don't have a serger, I would go over it with a zigzag. Skirt turned out really well. It's going to be very comfortable with an elastic waist, and I love the fact it has pockets. So if you like this video and you'd like to see more upcycling of clothes videos, let me know in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed yet, please subscribe and have a great day. Bye for now.